Morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook brought to you by Options Legion. Joining me today is Greg from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Greg?
The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 1.5% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.2% during the session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair dropped 0.5% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. Microsoft shares dropped 0.6% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Aussie dollar pair rose 0.6% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.5% during the session. The ROC's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. Traders were back on sanctions and stagflation watch as oil and inflation-sensitive bond yields went higher and stock markets drooped ahead of an expected tightening of Western measures against Moscow. On Satoshi Nakamoto's birthday, Lightning Labs announced the new ability to issue and transfer assets, including stable coins such as Tether, USDT, instantly and virtually for free via Lightning Network. Britain, the United States and Australia agreed to cooperate on hypersonic weapons and electronic warfare capabilities, UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson's office said, following a call between leaders. The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 1100 hours GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 1430 GMT. Germany's factory orders at 0600 GMT. The Eurozone's producer price index will be released at 0900 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 2350 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here at Options Legion, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.